To create AI video using InVideo. Yes, InVideo.ai. I'm going to show you how you're going to create and also download the video. First of all, you're going to type InVideo.ai, then click on the first link that pop out. It's going to bring you down here. The next thing you want to click on generate video. When you click on generate video, you're going to allow it to load. Don't forget, like I said before, this is 100% not free, but I'll show you how you're going to do this for free. So the next thing you want to do here now, there is an X icon here. After this, get the Android app. Click on this X close to it. So now I've done that, and then if you notice, you will know I have logged in already. So how do you log in? It's very easy. You're going to just create an account, which the process is very simple. But if you don't know how to create an account, please let me know in the comment section. Just type in the comment section how to create accounts, and then I promise, if I have like 5 people that will comment how to create accounts, if they don't really know how to do it, I'm going to do a video about it. So let's get started. Before we proceed, if you notice, InVideo is not free. InVideo is expensive, and like I said before, I'm going to show you guys how to get the InVideo for free. How you get it completely free. So right now, let's get started. So you're going to input your prompt here. Let's say you want to create a short video for TikTok or for YouTube Shorts. You see where they wrote create short video right here. Yeah, I'm touching it now. You can click here to create a short video. This one is an explanatory video. This one is animated film if you want to create a full movie, but this requires payment. Then if you have your own script you want to use, you can click here to paste the link of your script or upload your script. So InVideo is going to create the content for you. So right now, let us go with the short video so you understand how this works. When you click on create short video, now it's going to ask you where you creating the video from. Create a video. Now, what kind of video do you want to create? I click on fast paste and then create it for, come down here. If it is for YouTube Shorts or normal YouTube video, normal YouTube video is 9.16 like I told you guys before. And if it is TikTok or Instagram Reel, just make your choice. For now, I'll choose the TikTok. And then what is the content about? We're gonna put in our topic here. Now we'll just say 5 facts about dogs. Now, what we are asking here now is for you to give us 5 facts about dogs. Now, remember the way you twist your prompt makes gives you the kind of content you need. So we'll come down here and then we're gonna choose only stock media. We'll say no. We can decide to use generated media clip, that for you to generate the image for us. But for now, we'll choose the down one which says only stock media. So we are not generating clip, we are not generating images. When it comes to background, you can add a background sound. When I click on it, you type the kind of sound you need. The kind of sound you need. I need a piano sound, so I can just type piano and then I hit the continue button. So here you put the language, you put the subtitle, if you have a voice, you click here to pick a voice. You click here voices. There are different voices you can use to create your own content. So for now, I'm gonna just choose the California Ancient. So I choose the California Ancient. Background music, I'll leave it. The language is English, and the subtitle will also be in English. Now, the subtitle here, you can add any subtitle, but for now I'm leaving that. If you have What is watermark? Is something that is a mark, a trademark that represents your brand. You can put your watermark here, which I'll also be leaving blank. Now, the next thing you do, you click on continue. So right now, as you can see, it has set it for you, and these are the settings you give. So the next thing you want to do is to hit the proceed icon. So now you're gonna wait, let InVideo create a video for you. You see you're not doing anything. InVideo is analyzing your content for now. They are going to analyze your video. Now it's thinking, and the title InVideo is recommending is 5 mind-blowing facts about dogs. Now, when you say mind blowing, this is something that's going to trigger people to watch, and they will be like, what is this mind blowing all about? So, back to business. InVideo is preparing your video for you. As you can see, you're not doing anything. Yours is just to relax while your content is being created for you, edited for you. Then you only download and post. Guys, don't forget on these facts. All right. So right now the our video is here. So what we want to do here now, we will just click the continue icon, and now we are going to wait for InVideo to process our video. So it's actually analyzing our content. It's analyzing our content. So it's going to give us a feedback. It's analyzing our content so it can give us a feedback. So we just have to wait and watch InVideo create and do the magic for us. So it's adding the music and the voices. Remember we pick a voices, we didn't pick a sound, but in video we add the sound. Don't worry. If you don't need a sound in your video, I'm going to teach you how you're going to remove this sound in video is adding on your video, on your content rather. So we are at 50%. We just need to hold on and let it get to 100%. Then we can begin the process. Now, before we continue, let me share this story with you. There is a friend of mine that loves content creating, but due to one or two engagement, he's not having chance, he's not having the time to create content himself. It's over like a year, and the guy has not been able to create a content. And guess what? Of course, I do create content, you understand. But the fact is that it's not easy creating a content and managing other people's social media platform, because I'm equally a social media manager where I manage people's platforms. Trust me. And you now trying to create content yourself, which seems to be very difficult and very hard for you, because you put in the whole work and the whole effort creating and managing other people's own. But I give my friend the courage. I said, just do it. Just do it. Don't have any excuse. Just do it. And before you knew it, gradually it picked up. You understand? Gradually the guy picked up and he was like, wow, so this is real. And of course, it's actually real. How do you keep your content engaging? How do you keep that social media platform tight and engaging? Don't forget, you need to promote your platform. Yes, you need to put in the work. If you don't want to promote it with your own money, you need to put in the work. You need to tell people about your platform. You need to convince them that your platform is actually capable of delivering. You understand? You need to explain to them. So, guys, while we wait for the video to analyze and export, so right now our video is ready. It has finished generating it. So when you click on play, so that is the video we just generated. How do you download the video now? While you're saying download, click on download here, and then it's going to take you down to this point. So the next thing you do is going to ask you to upgrade. Look at it there. Now this upgrade now requires you making payments. So now how do you escape this upgrade? What you want to do is this. Click on stock images. At this down part, the video AI branding. Click on normal. Then the duration, you can choose 7.20. Once you are done with that, just click on continue, and then you're going to allow it to load. So as you see, so here we are now. They are preparing my video for me to download. 5 mind-blowing facts about dogs. So right now we're just allowing it to load, and then once our video is ready, I'll let you know. All right. So let's watch together the video she downloaded. It's still loading. Just be a bit patient. So right now this video has been downloaded, and let me play it. All right. So our video has been downloaded, and now let me play it.